choose a part-time job that will give you a big amount of money so that mas mabilis mong mabayaran yung utang mo. Ngayon, paano mo siya gagawin? Find a skill, focus on that skill, aralin mo siyang mabuti. Sobrang daming mga high earning skills, especially for digital careers, na kayang-kayang aralin ng kahit sino. Kapag na-master mo yon, you can offer yourself sa mga small businesses. That's one thing that you can do.
Ano bang mga specific example?
For me, in the past years na may nakakausap ako ng mga taong different yung career nila sa nagbibigay sa kanila ng malaking income right now. Iba
Different yung tinapos
tinapos
nila,
nila.
yung educational background talaga nila.
Yes. So most of them are freelancing, like virtual assistants, or iba is social media marketing. I've met people who are FB ad strategists. Nag-aral lang sila ng courses na FB ads. Yung iba YouTube lang. Then tinry nila.
Video editing.
Graphic
Sobrang
designs. Those are the options that can give you a big amount of money.